Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you for all being part of it. And today, why am I at my desk? We're doing a members slideshow this week while I catch up on a few things. We have a very large pond. It's over 14 feet long, very wide, and it's sprung a lake. So life happens. I hope most of you understand that. So it is important that I get on that. But we did ask and reach out on the Facebook group and said, hey, who wants to be involved in a members video? So a lot of people posted photos of their cars. I'm very proud to announce the video is done. I'm putting it up, and that'll be this week's video, of course. I hope some of you get involved in the next one, although we got over 100 people, so that was pretty cool. And I'm going to throw a few bloopers in along the way and things that we've done and mix it in the film. I think it'll be a fun video for the week. I think Tuesday, I'm pretty sure, I'm going to do a crankcase ventilation video, the importance of it for your motors to help with oil leaks and crankcase pressure. So I'll go over that. And also I'll be spraying that door. My clear coat came in. I ordered it online. So all right, let's get on the video. Let's check all what I threw inside of it for you for a couple laughs, hopefully. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. Let's check it out.
That's my buddy. He's real cool.
This is it, boys. Making dreams come true.
What are we going to name him? It's up to you. It's your call, whatever you want to name him. I'm so excited.
I do.
This helped out a lot.
Oh, did it come from Italy?
Oh, why did you say
Well,
that?
it must be.
Why?
It says fragile on it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I can use this.
Just take it. You grab everything when you're up here, don't you?
Yeah, but these are fun to just sit around and pop.
Oh, don't. Okay, put it. I'm editing this out.
So addicting.
Okay, stop just for a second. All right.
I'm back.
And what's that, Heath? What the heck you doing?
It's a big cobweb.
Oh, thought you. All right, so another great addition is a tachometer, and the tachometer is a big help.
Sorry. I can't. Once you get me started, I can't stop.
I didn't do anything.
I know.
Okay.
Why? Idiot. Hi, I'm Slade. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I thought I would do it for a change. I can fix anything.
Okay. All right. Welcome back to the Okay. Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thanks for being part of it. Okay, come on. All right, think of bad stuff.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Slade. This is now my channel.
Oh my
Seen the
God.
tour? I mean, he wasn't even in it. How do you do that?
How on the butt part? I mean, it's soft.
Yeah.
Don't get silly. Don't. Fine. Let me grab a towel here and.
And that's why I had to get new bath towels. Because you keep taking them and bring them up the garage, and you said, "Oh, I don't know where they went."
Why are you looking at me like that? What are you doing?
I was just looking at you. You were talking.
Oh, all right.
It's a habit.
Okay.
When people talk, you look at them.
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back to the community. Come on, don't do that.
Shut up.
Okay. Here we go.
You're weird.
All right. I hope everybody enjoyed that. Lots of wonderful cars. We got a heck of a community. We really, really do. And, I'm sure many more will follow, whoever sees the post technically, but there will be more of these videos to come up. I like posting other people's cars. I'll be interviewing somebody next week that doesn't live too far away that I just hooked up with online, and he's going to bring his car over and we're going to check it out and see what it's like and meet the next club member live. So I will see you next week with our DIY videos because I have to spray that door and do a crankcase ventilation video. Everybody have a really great weekend.